In this video, we'll get to see a place where superheroes, beasts, and magical creatures stand before you. The scenic water cruise starts out innocently enough. You are gliding along in your raft, watching a baby Stegosaurus and its mother share a moment. Wait! Out of nowhere, you are bumped, of course, and thrust into the ominous restricted area of Jurassic Park. This is where they keep the other creatures, the dangerous ones. Suddenly, a T-Rex stands before you. There is nowhere to turn. Your only possible escape is to take the pitch black plunge before you. Brave the dangers of a mysterious island where few dare to venture. On this journey into the dark heart of the jungle, prehistoric predators and fearsome creatures attack your vehicle from all sides. Your expedition guide fights them back with all her might.
Take cover! Jump!
Nobody. Jack, never take me. Awesome.
But as razor-sharp teeth and grasping talons steer into your vehicle, an ape of unimaginable size, ferocious yet awe-inspiring, hurls himself between you and certain doom. Is he your hero? With each primal roar, each chest-pounding thud, one thundering truth becomes clear. This is his home, his kingdom, and only he reigns.
Back, नीचे. Whoa.
This is Team 1.
Whoa.
Kong is right in front of us. This cannot be good.
Now, strap on your 3D glasses and join the world's most famous web slinger in a high-flying virtual reality ride. The villains of the sinister syndicate have stolen the Statue of Liberty, and it's up to Spidey to save the day. You will face a cast of Marvel characters as you soar above the streets, scale skyscrapers, and battle bad guys left and right. The high-definition 3D graphics are so vivid, you might catch yourself counting the stitches on Spider-Man's gloves. Nestled at the foot of Hogwarts Castle, you will find the snow-capped wizarding village bustling with enchanted shops, an inviting tavern, and more. Explore the corridors and classrooms of Hogwarts. Take off with Harry Potter and his friends to soar above the castle on a journey like no other. Go far beyond the school grounds with Hagrid to brave the wilds of the Forbidden Forest on an all-new thrilling roller coaster.
Personally, I recommend the Field of Battles Hogwarts history.
There are entertainment shows also. Visit a dinosaur egg nursery. Explore a sequin play area 3 stories high and match wits with a mysterious spirit. There are lots more to explore in Islands of Adventure. Death-defying stunts, close encounters with the dinosaur, superheroes battling in the streets, storybooks brought to life. Grab a seat, it's all about to begin.